Alright guys, so this is the Duramax. We'll show you a video of it rolling coal. We actually fixed the EGR on it earlier this year. So while he was rolling coal this morning, picked up a bolt in the tire. We're actually going to run a plug kit. The tread on this tire is pretty minimal, so we're just going to try to make it last for long enough till he gets his new tires in. Good Lord. About that. It's a stud. Alright. So that was actually about a 3/8 bolt. If you're going to run a tire plug kit, typically you're going to have to double it for something that large. It's usually to be safer. So these were picked up at Tractor Supply. It's got the full kit with rubber cement. We'll show you how all this works. These kits come with black tire plugs, but typically if you're wanting to do anything, go for the reds. They're extra strong. We'll show you how this works. Alright, so the first tool you're going to need is this one. It's got a pent with a drill look like. So this is just to clean up that hole. So make sure there's no debris in there that can hinder the plug from sealing. And once we're done with that, you're just going to pull out your plugs. So like I said, we're going to use 2 of them. So we're going to pull them off and stick them together. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pinch that plug on the side. And this is where your second tool is going to come in handy. And it is slotted so you can actually slide these into it, and then it's got a slot here at the very end so when you pull out, they'll stay into the tire. So once you get your plug set up into that slot, all you're going to do is you're going to push it into the hole of your tire. Now you're going to have to put some force behind it. Actually, put it in a little ways. And then this is where your rubber cement is going to come in handy. So what the rubber cement is going to do is going to allow for all that glue to seal up. Just pop it right open. Make sure you get it all the way around that plug. You can put it down to plugs if you like. And that should be about all you need of that. Once you push it in about 2 inches, you're just going to twist that thing. And what that's going to do is going to create a little ball on the back of that plug, which will allow you to pull a piece out. I know that bolt might have been too big. Now once that kind of sets up, we're going to come in with side cutters and cut that right off. And that's basically how you plug up a tire. Before this one actually went flat, we put a jack stand under the axle. That way it wouldn't fall all the way down and break the bead. So that's about how you do it.